What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to film a quick little video talking about LV or Louis Vuitton's new releases for pre-fall. Now by pre-fall I mean some of those releases are actually available like now, and some of them are still coming out in the upcoming months because some of the dates are being pushed back for some of the obvious reasons that we know. I'm gonna get right into this video, but before we do that, if you're not subscribed to my channel just yet, then definitely consider doing that. If you are new here, then hi, I am Adila. How are you guys doing right now? I hope everybody is well, safe and sound, and if you are looks obsessed and into anything handbags or jewelry or discussion, debates, relatable, then definitely this is the channel for you. I definitely wait for you to do that and subscribe right now. We can go ahead and wait together. Thank you very much. If you're a return subscriber, then thank you very much. I appreciate you also. I'm going to kick it off with this one that came out the other day, and I'm excited for this piece, honestly. It is the Nano Nice. So of course, as you guys know, we have the Nice, we have the Nice BB, we have the Nice Mini, and we now are going to have the Nice Nano. This thing is so adorable. It's so cute, honestly. I have no idea what you would fit in this item, probably like nothing, but I do think it's going to be one of those items that fly off the shelves. Similar to the Nano Speedy, I mean, it's possible. It doesn't look like it has a function to add a strap or anything to it, so it's going to be like a little cute handheld moment, or maybe like a lipstick holder, I don't really know. But based on the measurements, it's a 4.0 times 8.5 times 10 centimeters, which is not that big at all. Basically, there's a couple of accounts on Instagram that you can follow along. Basically, give you information of items that are coming out before they actually come out on the LV website, etc, etc. So if you do want a little bit of intel on that, then definitely follow some of these accounts that I will be showing you today. Some of them do deactivate for some reason, but just keep up with it if that is something that you want to do. But for now, let's go ahead and start with this one. So it's this double zip pochette. Actually, my essay sent me the link to this item. It's not available here in the US just yet. I do believe that some countries have got it available to buy, but in terms of the US, it is not available. You might possibly be able to pre-order some of these items, but again, check with your SAs, check with your personal shoppers, that type of thing. So it's a monogrammed piece, and it has the reverse monogram on one side, and it has the classic monogram on the other side. It is a canvas, and as you can see here, it has the double zip mechanism right there on the top. And it appears to have some card holder slots over there also. I think this one's absolutely stunning. I do like it. I don't actually know if I have a need for it personally in my collection, but I do think the two-toned reverse monogram plus the classic monogram is rather nice. Let's move on. Again, we have the reverse card holder. I'm going to mention this one anyways because it's such a popular piece, and I do know that people are still struggling to find it. I think at the moment the only way to go about it is just looking at personal shoppers that you trust, and because I know some of them are able to source out some of those pieces. Here again we have another pochette style, but this time it comes with 3 pochettes that are kind of linked and intertwined with each other to create this trio moment. Now I don't know the exact name of this piece, however it has the monogram reverse, it has the classic monogram, and it has the monogram in a black, I think it might be canvas leather possibly, or maybe it's full leather, I can't quite tell. But this piece is intertwined with these gold locks that you can see on the side here. I think this one is stunning. Initially when I first saw this, it was being retailed, or allegedly being retailed, for $2,430, I believe, which for me, honestly, personally, I feel like it's overpriced. I don't know if I would pay $2,430 for this. Again, these prices are just on an estimate. They might actually be different when they are released. You get a bit of each of the monograms in different colorways. I feel like if you want a bit of monogram, you want a bit of reverse monogram, and you want a bit of classic monogram, then this might be the way for you to go. Moving on to this little number here, which is in a black empreinte leather. It also comes in a cream colorway as well, so it has this trunk boxy style with a top handle, which I'm not necessarily sure was needed for this type of bag, to be honest. I see they wanted to give the versatility of being able to use it as a top handle as well as a crossbody function. I think I love it. I think I really do like it in the cream colorway. The black is nice as well, actually, if I'm honest. I think it's definitely giving us a bit more of a classy moment. This one I am considering buying. I do like the look of it, the structure and the details. So those sharp corners are definitely speaking to me a lot, and you do get the detailing of that chain, top handle, crossbody strap as well. I do hope that they sell the straps separately, because I think a lot of people would love to just buy those just on their own. So we've got the same type of style in the twist bag edition, as well as the new wave collection. They've come out with a crossbody function as well, which I'm not really here for the new wave one. I do like the empreinte leather one. It looks like we're having some sort of nylon bag, which honestly I'm kind of like, can we leave that for Prada to do maybe? I don't really understand the necessity of this one right here. I don't like the strap at all either. It looks like it has a little coin purse that's attached to it as well. Moving on to the new wave one, they all seem to have a coin purse attached also, and this one in the twist edition just looks like it has like a little luggage tag versus having any coin purse, which is questionable. I do like the colour of the strap though, I'm not gonna lie. This little number over here is a very stylish bag. I think this definitely can work for a work bag or maybe like a college student bag, depending on if you're just bougie like that. Some of us are, I mean, I don't know. The luggage tag as well, as you can see. I do prefer this one with the vachetta versus the black leather. This last number that we have here is in the monogram reverse and the classic monogram. It's giving me kind of like a hobo bag vibe. Again, I don't know the names of these bags. They're just bags that are coming in the pre-fall. Alright, so let's stamp off onto some shoes really quickly. I just have one pair that honestly I want to mention, which is these Mink Slippers. Now I know some people are like, look, can we just quit it with the mink? But honestly, I think they're stunning. I think that that tan brown colorway is absolutely stunning. It's perfect. I love it. I'm sorry, I'm going to say it. I'm here for it and I'm dying. So this next one is called the Nano Sac Plat. Of course, we have the Sac Plat that is available on its own, which is a bigger version, obviously, hence the nano. You know, a lot of people are into nano bags, micro bags, that type of thing. So I think they definitely hit a number with this one and came out with a perfect little sac plat. I do think this one is going to fly off the shelves as well. So again, contact those CAs if you want to get in on these items. I've just found another image of the sac plat. It looks like it does come with a strap, which is fantastic. And it also looks like it's coming in the empreinte leather in black as well, for those that want to steer away from the classic monograms. So another thing that we have here is LV's finally come out with a lanyard. And this one is available right now, I believe. It's probably sold out by the time this video comes up, but that's what it is. And it retails for 4,000. Can you imagine the day when we get to the point where a lanyard is going to cost $4,000? I mean, $475. Code is M69555. Again, it might be sold out. Good luck, let me know. And we have a little bracelet that's coming out as well, which is going to be retailed for $370. The code is M67735. I believe this is an end of June launch as well. So the last one I want to talk about is the LV Pont 9. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This bag is actually available now to buy. It came out a couple of days ago, and again with this one, similar to the multi-pochette accessoire, the marketing strategy here was to send out the bag to a number of influencers. It kind of flooded our Instagrams on the same day with the release of this bag, which again, I don't really know if I'm into this type of marketing, because I just feel like it's a bit suffocating, and it kind of gives the consumer that feeling like, do I actually want it, or do I want it because I can see it everywhere on social media? At this point, we just need to dial back on the marketing strategy of sending everything to influencers, or even sending it to a high number of influencers, because honestly, it just creates that demand. As a consumer, it's hard to even say whether that was your own decision, whether you liked it or not. So yeah, talking about the bag itself, I think it's pretty, I think it's nice, I do like it. I would have considered buying it, but the marketing strategy behind it has kind of put me off, and they're just trying to create it as one of those it bags to buy, but it's obviously at a higher price tag than the multi-pochette accessoire. So that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite piece is. If you've managed to pre-order any of these pieces, let us all know. It'll be valuable information for everybody that is here. Again, if you're not subscribed, then do subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. And as always, if you haven't had enough, then definitely click this video right here. Follow me on Instagram. Let's have a chat. Let's have a conversation. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.